Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina here in the Hair Lounge. Today, it's all about product review. Today, we are going to review our Osensia Oh So Thick Leave-In Treatment. This stuff is super awesome if you have color treated hair and your hair is feeling a little dry and a little damaged. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about this new product. So let's first talk about why and who needs to use this product. If you are someone who has dry and brittle hair, this stuff is awesome because it has biotin in it. It's going to strengthen your hair from the inside out. So people who are using bleach, people who have naturally curly hair, someone who is using tons of heat products on their hair, this is super awesome because it is going to protect your hair from those heat and styling tools that you're using on your hair. This is a treatment that you're going to leave in on your hair, so you want to make sure that if you do have finer hair, you don't use too much because it can weigh your hair down if you're using too much. This is a treatment that you're going to put on before you actually style your hair. So let's do that. And don't forget, you guys, if you have not subscribed, now is the time to hit that red subscribe button. All right, so opened it up. I have used this once before, and so I already took the little seal off the inside, and it comes out kind of more in a lotion form. So I do like to rub it all over my hands to make sure that I get it all over. Then we're just gonna rake this through. I will tell you, it has a very, very nice scent to it. It's a little bit more florally, and it does have definitely a stronger smell than some of my other styling products that I have used before. So if you're sensitive to smell, just know that this has a little bit more of kind of that flowery scent. And we are mostly doing it on our ends and kind of just raking it through your hair. This also has botanical extract, which is super, super nice. And it has coconut oil in it. So coconut oil is gonna make your hair super, super shiny and soft. You can let this sit on your hair and you can just let it air dry, or you can style this and use your heat tools and all that, since it does protect against the heat. I'm going to style it today or rough dry it today. That way you guys can see the final look. Again, if you want to distribute this more through your hair, you can brush it through. I'm just gonna let my fingers do all the work, and we're just gonna go ahead and dry it. And don't forget, you guys, if you like any of the products that I'm using today, I always link everything down below in the description box, so go ahead and look there for any of the things I'm using on my hair today. All right, let's get to drying. All right, you guys, we just finished off. I did do more of a rough dry on my hair, but as you can see, it does have a lot of shine to it. I would say my hair gets super, super fluffy whenever I rough dry it, so I didn't notice as much smoothing on my hair with rough drying it, but I can definitely tell it added a lot of shine to my hair, which is what that coconut oil is going to do. I do want to remind you, this also has biotin in it. So if this is something that you're going to use on your hair every single day or every single time you wash, it is going to help kind of regrow and re-strengthen that hair, which is super, super awesome. So if you guys are looking for a leave-in treatment to add shine, to protect your hair color, and to rebuild and kind of strengthen those hair bonds, I would definitely suggest you try out the Osensia's Oh So Thick and Strong Leave-In Treatment. They do have tons of other products, so if you guys want to check any of their other products out, go ahead and look down in my description box below. I'll put their link down there as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and we'll check you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.